When the trigger assembly is squeezed, it actuates the switch to turn your string trimmer on. Over time, the trigger can fatigue and eventually break. It can also be broken if it is hit against something or if something falls on it. Replacing the trigger assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the adjustable handle from the trimmer. To remove the handle, I'll press the button that you normally press when you adjust the handle and insert a metal rod through the hole in the opposite side to push the internal plunger. Now remove the screws that secure the two halves of the housing together. Two of the screws are located underneath the sticker. You'll need to locate those screws, cut through the sticker, and then you can remove them. Also on the top, you'll need to cut through this sticker. Then I can separate the two halves of the housing. Now I can remove the trigger, and I'll remove the return spring. Now I can install the new trigger. I'll install the spring to the trigger, and then this assembly can go into the housing. The trigger fits over the post, and the spring into this pocket. Now I'll reinstall the drive cable into the drive gear. And align the shaft with the housing. I need to make sure that I align this tab with the housing so it can slide back and forth. And now I'll reinstall the cover. The plunger has a couple of tabs inside that need to align with the plunger on the opposite side. I'll rotate it around until they engage, and I can squeeze the two plungers together. And I'll begin retightening the screws. And I'll finish by reinstalling the adjustable handle. And that's how you can install a new trigger assembly in your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.